In the USA, they have something called telehealth. In Canada, it's called Teladoc Health Canada. But regardless of where you are in the world, these systems are in place. Telehealth or Teladoc Health is the use of digital information and communication technologies to access healthcare services remotely and manage your healthcare. Technologies can include computers and mobile devices such as tablets and smartphones. This may be technology you use from home, or a nurse or other healthcare professional may provide telehealth Teladoc Health from a medical office or mobile van, such as in rural areas. Telehealth Teladoc Health can also be technology that your healthcare provider uses to improve or support healthcare services. The issue with telehealth Teladoc Health is the remote monitoring. It's not the video calls or any of that, it's the remote monitoring. Technology that allows your provider or healthcare team to check your health remotely. Web-based or mobile apps for uploading data to your provider or healthcare team. Devices that measure and wirelessly send data such as blood pressure, blood sugar and oxygen levels. Wearable devices that automatically record and send data, heart rate, blood, sugar, how you walk, your posture, tremors, physical activity or your sleep. Home monitoring devices for older people or people with dementia that can find challenges in daily activities such as falls. Devices that send notifications to remind you to do exercise or take drugs. You know, those apps that allow your phone to take your blood pressure, to take your glucose. This entire network is connected to an autonomous weapons system, which we will get into and educate people on as well.
We're going to Google DoD Directive 3000.09. And we're going to click on the official government website. DoD announces update to DoD Directive 3000.09, Autonomy in Weapon Systems. And this was on January 25th, 2023. The Department of Defense announced today the update to DoD Directive 3000.09, Autonomy in Weapon Systems. The update reflects DoD's strong and continuing commitment to being a transparent global leader and establishing responsible policies regarding military uses of autonomous systems and artificial intelligence. The update also reflects changes in the department over the last decade, changes in the world, and department requirements to reissue and update directives with certain time periods. DoD is committed to developing and employing all weapon systems, including those with autonomous features and functions, in a responsible and lawful manner, said Deputy Secretary of Defense Dr. Caitlin Hicks. Given the dramatic advances in technology happening all around us, the update to our Autonomy in Weapons Systems Directive will help ensure we remain the global leader of not only developing and deploying new systems, but also safety. The directive was established to minimize the probability and consequences of failures in autonomous and semi-autonomous weapon systems that could lead to unintended engagements. The requirements established in the directive include the following. Autonomous and semi-autonomous weapon systems will be designed to allow commanders and operators to exercise appropriate levels of human judgment over the use of force. Persons who authorize the use of, direct the use of, or operate autonomous and semi-autonomous weapon systems will do so with appropriate care and in accordance with the law of war, applicable treaties, weapon systems safety rules, and applicable rules of engagement. The weapon system has demonstrated appropriate performance, capability, reliability, effectiveness, and suitability under realistic conditions. The design, development, deployment, and use of system incorporating AI capabilities is consistent with the DoD AI ethical principle and the DoD responsible AI strategy and implementation pathway. We also have something called LAWS, AWS, which stands for Lethal Autonomous Weapons System, and it's a type of autonomous military system that can independently search for and engage targets based on program constraints and descriptions. LAWS are also known as lethal autonomous weapons systems, autonomous weapons systems, robotic weapons, or killer robots. They hunt you by your biofield. So they hunt you by your biofield, right? So that's when people that were saying that we're going to run away in the forest, or the people that are saying that they don't want to be part of the cognitive cities and they're just going to go live in the middle of nowhere or hide, you're not going to be able to hide. These autonomous systems hunt you by your DNA, hunt you by your biofield, which means that they can find you even if you're under a rock, in a cave, under the ocean. It doesn't matter where you are. You're a part of the global information grid. You have a digital twin. It's going to find you.